This is the only issue I have with it. Other than that, it's almost a home run for Apple. After 1 week with the AirPods Pro 3, I can say it straight, Apple nailed it. It's almost perfect. It's the closest thing to perfect. Honestly, this thing is the easiest recommendation I have ever gave. Only one caveat I have with it. Let me explain. Okay, we got the AirPods Pro 3 in the house. I know I'm a bit late to the party, but we live in Dubai. We get things a little bit too late in here. So on the plus side, we get to have the after the hype review. After everybody already hyped it up and the honeymoon phase is over, we get to decide, is it worth it now or not? We will be comparing it to the AirPods Pro 2. So let's unbox it and see what are the initial differences. As you can see here, done. Let's go. We got specific, no stickers this year. Apple got rid of the stickers. This is the AirPods itself, as you can see. Oh, this is it. The stem is longer this time, as you can see. Something is new here. It's a bit larger than before. If you can see, this is the AirPods 2, this is the AirPods 3. It's a bit taller. Yeah, it's a bit taller. Yeah, just taller. The same width, but it's taller height-wise. I'm really excited about the new heart rate feature. I think this is the sensor here. It will be amazing. Let's put it on and see the initial fit. Oh, the seal is different. I can feel it. Coming from these back to back, I can feel the seal is a bit different here. So I can feel something already. Let's just pair it to the iPhone. As you can see on the iPhone, do you want to connect? Yes, sir. And just like that, we all love Apple because of the convenience. Let's place the AirPods in our ear and press continue. Yeah, they fit good. Yeah, we got that. Not now.
A few moments later.
We're ready, baby. Turning on and off the transparency mode is crazy. You are isolated totally. To all of a sudden, you can hear everything so clearly. It's magic. I'll be testing those during the next couple of days, and I'll be coming back with an initial test. We will be comparing the bass, the everything to the old one and see what are the differences. I'll see you soon. Alright guys, it's been a week. I'm really shocked. I'm amazed. First of all, the sound, amazing stuff. It's a win-win-win over the AirPods 2 in all ways. On the AirPods Pro 3, the sound is louder, the isolation is better, the bass is deeper, and it has longer battery life. It's a win-win-win. It's amazing. I don't know how they made it better. This thing was amazing as is. I don't know how. Let's test the mics real quick. This is a mic test from the AirPods Pro 3. Let me know how it sounds. This is a mic test from the AirPods Pro 2. Let me know how it sounds. Let's go outside and test them in a noisy environment. This is a mic test from the AirPods Pro 3. Let me know how it sounds. This is a noisy environment. This is a mic test from the AirPods Pro 2 outside with noises. Listening to them back to back, I would say there's a slight improvement in the AirPods Pro 3, but the AirPods Pro 2 was amazing. So maybe 5% improvement, but negligible. I don't get it. It's an improvement all over the board with the same price. It's amazing. Add to that the heart rate tracking. It's an AirPods, not even a wearable, and it does tracking better than most of them. It's amazing. I tried it cycling outside, I tried it weight training, I tried it with elliptical. It's amazing in everything. If you don't want to take my word for it, take the quantified scientist's word for it. He tested it with numbers. It's amazing. Now you can leave your phone behind and go with the watch and the AirPods and get the best tracking ever made. Both of them together are a deadly combo. You can leave your phone behind and track with the AirPods and the watch together seamlessly. This is the best combo for tracking exercises, period. Because you're getting two inputs and the two of them are number 1 and 2 on the most accurate devices there are. So if you're getting two of them, they will correct each other and give you the best signal possible. That's why it's my new default recommendation for anybody that wants to start tracking. I would say get the AirPods, listen to music, take calls, and on the side, get the best tracking ever during your exercises. If you want to step it up a notch and track your recovery during sleep, get the watch. This is amazing. Apple is killing it. And the AirPods with the watch are a deadly combo. You don't need anything else. After that, when you want to get 10% extra, better recovery and sleep tracking, not sleep stages, the Apple Watch does that the best. I'm talking RHR and HRV, maybe get the Whoop then, or the Oura Ring 4. They do that the best. But if you want to get a baseline for your HRV and RHR during sleep, more than good enough, get the watch. And if you want to get the best tracking ever during your exercises, get the watch with the AirPods. It's amazing. My only caveat with it is that it doesn't stay in my ears. This is the only problem I have. It always comes out like that. I don't know why. I tried all the new sizes from the tips. Still, it doesn't work. They all come out like that. And a quick tip, I tried the AirPods Pro 2 tips. On it, it doesn't work. So if you get the AirPods Pro 3, you have to use the new tips because they are a new material and a new fit. You cannot use the old tips. The old tips was working fine with me. The old AirPods 2 was working just amazing. It stays in my ear, but for some reason, the AirPods Pro 3 design doesn't want to stay in my ear as well as it should, but it's a small caveat. I'm always pushing it back like that, and it comes out after 45 minutes or something, so it's not terrible. And I noticed only me is complaining about this. Most of the guys I saw wearing it and most of the people reviewing it online, they are saying it's a great fit. So it's a personal issue, not for everybody. So yeah, I would say confidently go buy it. I understand it now. People love this thing and it's now better than ever. It's literally better than the AirPods 2 in every way imaginable with the same price. Amazing. And for its price, it's the cheapest workout tracker I think there is. You cannot get this amazing accuracy on any other tracker and they are all expensive. So if you are dabbling into tracking your exercises, get this, listen to music on it and enjoy calls on it. And on the side, get the best tracking ever. If you think you like tracking and you want to see more data, get the other stuff. But start with these. They are amazing. Literally 10 out of 10 product. I have another caveat. I will talk about it in the full review of the Apple Watch Ultra 3. When I leave my phone behind and I go tracking with the watch and the earbuds, I lose my workout buddy. Workout buddy only works when I have my phone with me, which is a total stupid idea. Why can't I use the workout buddy on the watch itself? I don't get it. I have the watch and I have the earbuds. I should be getting the workout buddy thing, but it's limited. You only have to have the phone with you, plus the watch, plus the earbuds. This is too much. It's counterproductive or counterintuitive. I want workout buddy when I'm taking out the watch with the earbuds without the phone. I'm gonna talk about it more in the full review of the Apple Watch Ultra 3. Stay tuned. That's gonna be next week. Now go watch this video. I'm gonna be reviewing Whoop MG like a real athlete. Go watch it. You will love it.
And she been calling me daddy lately. Want me to put her in Cartiers. And the bitch deserve it. Put in work for the money she earn it. Give me top every night lip service.